work. Cream soda. We found your way to burp now. You look constipated.
I know, because I swallowed it. It felt weird because it hurted.
Smurfalicious. Don't you wish your platypus
Jessica, come join the burping
was hot
contest.
like mine?
Mitchell, do you want to burp?
Well, I need some.
You can just burp on demand. Just do it.
Oh, no, I need some.
Jessica, let's do a burping
Oh, it's
contest.
working now?
Yeah.
You'll perform.
Jess, can you please give me a cup too, please?
Yeah, of course.
Oh.
I got you a nice red cup, Mitchell.
Don't you wish your platypus was hot like mine?
Don't you wish your
Smurfalicious.
boyfriend was hot like mine? Oh.
Look, I got one of them restaurant cups.
Your H core.
That's like a new job.
That's like if you said the call.
Wait, we'll start from the beginning so we can post it on YouTube.
No, man, because I already got a burp on here, and I don't think it'll happen ever again.
Oh, okay, man.
Okay.
Just have a burp out fast.
A baby face.
Holy crap. It might burp again. Come on.
I can't do it. Ow, it hurts.
It's running low on battery.
It's official, I can't burp. I'm just not manly enough to do it, apparently. Don't you wish your boyfriend was hot?
No, it goes,
like
don't you
mine?"
wish your platypus was hot like
Where'd you
mine?"
get that from?
I made it up.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, it Smurfalicious.
Smurfalicious definitions. Make them boys go crazy.
Mm-mm.
They always want to know me.
Smurfalicious definitions make the Smurfs go crazy.
Oh my god.
Little piggy. Can you give me some more, please? I only had like a little quarter of a cup. So it's too much fizz. Fizzy like a fizz. Okay, that should be good.
It's like stuck in my throat.
Are you guys drinking?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're drinking cream soda.
Cream soda.
Cream soda.
We're having a burping contest.
I wish I could burp, but I can't.
Nice.
Ah,
Show off.
oh, that smelled funny.
Your burps always smell funny. They smell like dirty
Yeah, well,
farts.
you had like pizza,
Oh,
chicken,
So yucky.
chicken.
Caesar salad. Now you're eating cake. What are your burps?
Sweet
Supposed to
salad
smell
and
like.
cream soda.
Cream soda.
Cream
Cream
soda.
soda.
Cream soda.
Oh, I have a good one coming up. It's like, or probably gonna be a little one though.
Oh, I have one.
Not yet. Get Jess.
That was
Oh, it's like stuck.
Oh, I know. I hate when that happens. It hurts. I just got coffee right now. Ew.
Oh, that stinks. Oh.
Okay, Mitch. Okay. You just let that